To replace the seals on a WOB style connector, it's really easy. All you need is a extra pack of seals and a sharp pick. And you usually can do this while keeping the connector still in service, but really just have access to the front of the connector here. Use your pick to dig the old seal out. Discard that. Grab a new one from your box of seals and just pop it in by hand. And really that's all that's needed to be done for maintenance on the WOB style of connectors in general. And always get your seals from FasTest.
Full operating instructions are available on our website along with replacement parts.
And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to Fast Sales.
Thank you again for being a valued FasTest customer.
Thank you.